Hello everyone! Is your car struggling with power at lower RPMs, or are you noticing a drop in fuel efficiency? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0664, intake manifold tuning valve control circuit low, bank 2, then your engine's airflow system might not be working properly. In this video, I'll explain what P0664 means, its symptoms, and, most importantly, the exact locations of the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. The P0664 trouble code stands for Intake Manifold Tuning Valve Control Circuit Low, Bank 2. Your car's intake manifold tuning valve IMTV helps optimize the air-fuel mixture to improve efficiency and performance. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, controls this valve, adjusting airflow into the intake manifold based on driving conditions. A low voltage reading in the IMTV control circuit for Bank 2, the side of the engine opposite cylinder 1, signals a problem. This could be due to a faulty actuator, wiring issues, or even a PCM malfunction. Common symptoms of P0664: check engine light on loss of power at lower RPMs, poor acceleration, rough idling or engine misfires, reduced fuel economy. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the key sensors and components responsible for P0664. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0664, focus on these critical parts: intake manifold tuning valve, IMTV, actuator, bank 2, location, mounted on the intake manifold on the bank 2 side near the throttle body. Function, adjusts airflow for efficiency. A faulty actuator can disrupt engine performance. Powertrain Control Module, PCM, location, near the firewall in the engine bay or inside the cabin, under the dashboard. Function, the PCM controls the IMTV actuator. If it's failing, the tuning valve may not function properly. IMTV wiring and connectors location, between the IMTV actuator and PCM, running along the intake manifold. Function, transmits electrical signals. Damaged wiring can cause low voltage issues. Intake manifold runner control, IMRC, bank 2. Location, attached to the intake manifold, close to the IMTV actuator. Function, works alongside the IMTV to control airflow. A failure here can affect air distribution. Vacuum lines and solenoids location, connected to the intake manifold and throttle body. Function, controls air pressure changes. A vacuum leak can cause the tuning valve to malfunction. Common causes of P0664, faulty IMTV actuator, bank 2. If the actuator is stuck or damaged, airflow won't adjust correctly. Low voltage in wiring. A broken or corroded wire can cause low signals in the IMTV circuit. IMTV control, solenoid failure. A failing solenoid may prevent proper valve operation. PCM malfunction. The Powertrain Control Module could be sending incorrect voltage signals. Vacuum leaks or blockages. Leaks in the intake manifold or clogged airways can impact air intake efficiency. How to fix P0664. Step 1. Scan for additional codes. Check for related intake system trouble codes. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or corroded wires in the IMTV circuit. Step 3. Test the IMTV actuator. Bank 2. Use a multimeter to check voltage and resistance. Step 4. Check for vacuum leaks. Look for cracked hoses near the intake manifold. Step 5. Replace the IMTV actuator if needed. If faulty, install a new OEM part. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the code using an OBD-II scanner and drive to confirm the fix. Ignoring P0664 can lead to poor engine performance, sluggish acceleration, and reduced fuel economy. Fixing this issue ensures your engine runs efficiently with the correct air-fuel balance. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0584, Cruise Control Vacuum Control Circuit Low, P0585. Cruise control related issue, like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.